All right, y'all. We done made it back to the house. We made it back to the house. Me and little man. Done made it back to the house. Well, we're gonna see how many we got, y'all. All right, here you go, little man. Take it. We'll dump it all out.
Okay.
Dump them all out. Dump them all out. Dump them all out. All right.
Y'all see that bass right there?
Oh, and a fat little warm-out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7,
7,
8,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26.
I guessed it!
You guessed it right on the top.
I
26.
guessed it!
You said 26. Good job. I said 20. Good job. Good job, buddy.
In my head.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go take showers and stuff. Well, y'all stay blessed. And I don't know what else to say.
You good, bro. You good.
Have a good
But all right, y'all. Hey,
day.
a family who loves to fish,
Huh?
especially when it's grocery fishing, you know. Y'all be blessed out there. Y'all take it easy. Get out and get fishing, man. Put some fish in your freezer. Y'all be blessed.